Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to breathe new life into damaged hair. Dove Shampoo Intensive Repair. Whether your hair has suffered from dryness, breakage, or just a little too much heat styling, this shampoo claims to bring it back to life and make it 10 times stronger. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Dove's Intensive Repair shampoo is designed specifically for damaged hair. It's formulated with bioprotein care technology and Amino Serum to help restore your hair's strength. With regular use, it's said to stop up to 98% of visible damage caused by breakage. Now, that's a bold claim, so we're here to test whether it truly delivers. First, let's talk about the key ingredients. The bioprotein care technology works by strengthening hair at the cellular level, replenishing it with what Dove calls 1 trillion protein strength builders. These are supposed to penetrate deep into the hair shaft, helping repair and protect your strands over time. You also get the benefits of glutamic amino acid, which targets areas of damage and helps reduce frizz. Now, onto how it feels to use. I've been testing this shampoo for a few weeks, and I'll tell you, it's easy to incorporate into your routine. The formula lathers up nicely, creating a rich foam that feels luxurious on the scalp. It rinses clean without leaving any residue, which is important, especially for a product that claims to repair. I've used it both in the morning and after long, stressful days, and I always enjoy how refreshed my hair feels after a wash. It's like giving my hair a much-needed reset. Performance-wise, I was impressed by how my hair felt after just one wash. The texture felt smoother, and there was less noticeable breakage when I combed through it. After several uses, my hair felt softer and more manageable, with reduced frizz and flyaways. It definitely lives up to the intensive repair promise, providing a noticeable improvement in hair health. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the shampoo works well for most of my hair, I did notice that it doesn't quite tackle split ends the way some higher-end salon shampoos might. It's more of a restorative product. So if you're looking for a total transformation, this may not be the magic bullet. That said, it definitely works wonders on hair that's dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. The scent is another area worth mentioning. It has that signature Dove fragrance, clean, fresh, and subtle, which I personally enjoy, but I know some might prefer something with a bit more flair. As for the value, Dove shampoo is very reasonably priced compared to salon-grade products. Given the effectiveness, especially with regular use, I'd say it offers good value for money. If you've been considering an intensive hair repair product without breaking the bank, this is a solid option. If you're in the market for something comparable but perhaps a bit pricier, products like Redken's Extreme Shampoo offer a similar restorative effect but at a higher cost. If you're willing to splurge, Redken might give you that extra level of luxury and a more potent formula, but Dove certainly holds its own at a more affordable price point. Build quality and longevity are strong points here. The packaging is sturdy, and the bottle is easy to use in the shower, with a flip cap that dispenses just the right amount. The shampoo lasts for several weeks, so I can see this being a great long-term option for anyone with consistently damaged hair. As for shelf life, it's always a good idea to check the expiration date on any hair care product, but Dove's products typically have a good shelf life. Now, I've never had to contact Dove's customer service directly, but I know the brand has a solid reputation for customer support. Their products are also PETA approved, vegan, and cruelty-free, which is a bonus for those looking for ethical beauty choices. So let's wrap this up. Dove Shampoo Intensive Repair is a reliable, budget-friendly option for anyone dealing with dry, damaged hair. It won't work miracles on extremely damaged hair or split ends, but it will restore strength, reduce breakage, and leave your hair feeling healthier. If you're looking for a product that keeps your hair in check on a day-to-day basis, this is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out the link to purchase this shampoo in the description box. If you've used Dove's Intensive Repair shampoo, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.